Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So in today's video, it's gonna be really short. I'm gonna show you a simple protective style that I've been using on my daughter's hair for the last 3 or 4 months, and it has helped us to retain length and everything. So I thought I would share that with you on the channel. So this is it. This is the protective style that we've been using for about 4 months now. Okay, and I love it. She likes it. It's simple, it's quick to do, and it allows me to re-moisturize her hair very quickly. And so yeah, that's why we like it. Okay, so today what I use to refresh her hair is water. Here she has it in her hand. Castor oil, I bought this from an Indian store. Grapeseed oil. So today I use a little bit of this, not much at all, just a little bit, and then I parted her hair and I moisturized each section by spraying it with water, and then I seal that moisture in using the oil, the stew oil. And then if the hair felt really dry, I just added the blue magic to where it was needed. Okay, so today was mainly using oil on her hair and getting water onto her scalp and stuff like that. And yeah, what do you think? What protective style do you use to protect your baby's hair and to retain length? Please share with me in the section, in the comment section. Okay, yeah, so here we have it. It's simple, it's quick. You still have to be patient when detangling as to not pull the hair or cause any breakage, but other than that, it's so simple. And anytime you need to re-add moisture, you can just go ahead and do so. Okay, what do you think? Do you use protective styling on your kids' hair? If so, what different types and that you use? Do you change it often and stuff like that? So yeah, that's all. I hope you find this helpful. If you like these videos, please like the video and also subscribe to the channel so that way we can grow together. Okay, thank you so much for watching.